I made these nails in a previous video and it came out so cute, and I'm going to glue them on, and I'm going to show y'all how I glue my nails on without a drill if you don't have a drill. So keep watching if you want to see. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be gluing on these nails without a drill. I have a drill, but sometimes, if you're a beginner, you might not have one. So I'm just going to show you how I would glue my nails on without a drill. So I would use a file and just go in and try to trim the sides down to make sure they match your nail as close as possible, especially if you buy them online. You want to make sure that you choose one that's bigger and not smaller, and just file the sides down. And then I like to go in with the file and just however you can angle it. It's probably better or easier with a smaller file, but just go in and try to scuff up the back of the nail, of the press-on nail, as much as you can. The key to making press-on stay is to have them as dry as possible. So I also like to go in with some alcohol after I get done with that and just wipe the dust off the nail, the back of the nail, if there was any generated. And now I'm going to go in with a cuticle pusher and push all of my nails back. This will really help your nails, your press-on nails, look as natural as possible if you go ahead and push your cuticles back. And if you have some cuticle softener at this step, you can use that as well to soften your cuticles before you go in to push them back. After that, I'm going to go in with my file, and then I'm just going to scuff up the top of my nail very lightly, but you want to make sure that you remove all the shine from your natural nail bed. Like I said, if you remove all the oil and the shine, your nails will be more likely to stay on. You don't need a drill to do this. You can use a file. It just takes a little longer, but you can still get the same results. And you see how I'm pulling my skin back on the side, or like my side wall of my nail back. It's really important to buff back there too, because you have oil back there as well. And a lot of times lifting will happen from the side. So I just like to make sure I just get all around my cuticles, the bottom and the sides. Now I'm going to go in with some alcohol, and then I'm going to just put a little bit on a napkin and just wipe all of my nails off. If you don't have alcohol, you can go and wash your hands as well. And then I like to keep this napkin on the side because I use the alcohol on the napkin again. And if you have dehydrator, just go in and dehydrate the nails. If not, you can skip the step, but it's very handy to just help get all the shine off the nail. If you have a cuticle nipper, I like to go in with at this step and just dip my cuticles a little bit and clean them up. So the glue that I'm going to be using today is from Macart. I've been using this nail glue for the last few months and I really like it. You're going to go in with the glue, and I like to hold my hand at an angle that's tilted downward. So if the glue starts to run, it runs down and not to the sides. You want to put a generous amount. You don't want to put too much where you know it's going to be running out or running over the sides, but you don't want to put a little bit either. So I like to put a good amount. You will learn as you're doing it more, but then I like to go in and kind of just like go in at an angle and get it lined up with my cuticle and then press down. And then you have a little bit of time to slide the nail up a little bit or down if you want to. But I like to try to hold onto my nail for at least 30 seconds, a minute if I really have time, to just make sure that it's fully dried down before I release the pressure. So the same thing, you see how the nail fits really nicely to the side. Like I said earlier, that's very important, and your nails staying on as long as possible. But I'm tilting that nail down again, going in with my KDS glue. And then I'm going to go in at an angle, like a 45-degree angle, and then lay the nail straight down. Then if you have any glue that runs off over the sides, if you have glue that runs to the sides, this is why I like to keep that napkin that I have with the alcohol, because I just go ahead and take the napkin and make sure I wipe off the sides so there's no excess glue. So that's all I do to put my nails on when I don't have a drill. I always say if you're going to be doing pressing nails a lot, I do recommend investing in a good drill because it will make things so much easier. But these are how they look after they are fully on. My nails can last me like 2 weeks if I buff them and prep them correctly. And I really love this nail set. If you like the way this nail set looks, make sure you check out the video when I created them. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, friends.